So I'm not the Canvas queen anymore. This was a very hard decision, and honestly, a decision that I didn't really make. It was kind of made for me, but I actually think this might be the best thing that's ever happened to me personally and also for my business. Hey guys, it's Lauren. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been here for a while, you know that I built everything around Canvas. My YouTube channel, my business, my reputation. And this build wasn't honestly something that I saw myself. Like I didn't plan for this, right? Like I just started creating videos to help teachers that were across the country during the pandemic because it was suggested by a teacher. And so I got thrown into this business world and had no idea what I was doing. And YouTube was the beginning, the stepping stone of what I started to build. I feel very blessed that I was even able to build a business off of what just again started out as just like I wanted to help people. But I've created thousands of hours of Canvas specific content. I've helped so many teachers with Canvas, whether that be through this YouTube channel or through coaching and getting hired on by school districts and other companies. I've done a lot in the Canvas realm, hence why I got the name Canvas Queen. This has been my identity for 6 years. So changing it, this has not been a fun thing for me. I've definitely been mourning a little bit over this. So here's essentially what happened. In December of 2025, I was told that I can no longer use the Canvas Queen name. This is due to trademark and branding concerns that are tied to Instructure, the company that owns and runs Canvas LMS. And honestly, I understand it, but that doesn't make this any easier, especially when this company has recognized me many times as the Canvas Queen, has promoted my name. That's a hard pill to swallow. I understand they have to protect their brand. It's just business. And the way that they did approach me, I appreciate a lot. They were very kind and have given me a lot of time to transition out of Canvas Queen into something else. So yeah, this was definitely a hard moment for me. 2026 hasn't been the kindest to me. At least that's how I've kind of felt in the last few months. I just feel like I've kind of been losing something that I've worked really, really hard for. But with that being said, I'm not going to stop. After sitting with this for a while, I've realized something really important. I am no longer really in the Canvas space solely anymore. I've been learning so much. I've covered so many different tools, and honestly, being just the Canvas Queen has kind of put me in a box. I'm going to be moving on and creating more in different avenues of EdTech. So instead of fighting this change, I'm leaning into it, I'm embracing it, and I'm actually really excited for it. There are so many tools that teachers use in their classrooms now that I want to review and go over and give you guys those detailed instructions step by step that you need, whether that be in Canva or in Google Classroom or who knows, Magic School AI. There's so many different tools that I want to show you. What I've been building behind the scenes is way bigger than just one LMS. So that leads me to my new name. The Canvas Queen is officially becoming the EdTech Empress. Same mission, same person, just bigger. I'm leveling up. Here's what this means for you. So of course, I will not stop educating all of you lovely people on Canvas. I still love Canvas. But I am going to expand into more tools, more systems, and more real-world workflows for teachers. And I think, honestly, the most important part of this video is that I've been keeping a secret, semi-secret, from all of you. I've been building something new. And so not only did I need to plan a rebrand for myself, I've also been rebranding my other company where I have all of my Canvas onboarding courses. My team and I over at EdTech Training, we have leveled up our courses. With so much new technology coming out, we have now, instead of just building an app, we have built a new platform. This is where teachers actually do the work. They perform an action and then they get immediate feedback. It's very similar to what we had before with our app that plugs into Canvas, but now we're so new and different that we can actually plug into almost any EdTech tool, which I'm really excited about. I'm very proud of the work that we've done with this platform. This change has really forced me to think bigger. So it's been like a huge blessing in disguise because, I started as a classroom teacher and I never thought that I could do this. I didn't think that this would become of anything. And the fact is, like, a $5 billion evaluated company told me, you can't do this anymore because there's brand confusion. I have to take that as somewhat of a compliment in some capacity. It's still hard. My hope and goal with this channel is to continue to do the same thing. Offer content to you, the teacher, for free on this channel where you can learn new technology that will ultimately save you time in your classroom because your time is so precious. I'm only going to ask, because I don't like to ask, but I'm only going to ask, especially now, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I'm not going to ask for you to buy anything from me, but I am going to ask, especially as I transition, I need your support more than ever before. Rebranding is not easy. While I'm excited about it, and I think I can grow this to be even bigger, I still need the support. And so if you've ever watched a video of mine, if you have ever learned something from me, I would greatly appreciate it if you would share this video, comment on this video, do anything with any of my content. I would even appreciate a little shout out, anything. I need support during this time. And that's all I'm going to ask. And then in return, I know that it's Teacher Appreciation Week. I want to give you 2 gifts. The first gift is I created a EdTech starter guide for you to use. You can use it in your classroom. I promise you, I don't waste your time with my guides. I know that a lot of people create guides and they download them and they realize, oh, this was a gimmick to get me to sign up for something. I am going to ask you to sign up for my newsletter in order to obtain it, but I promise you it is a valuable tool. The second gift that I'm offering is within our new EdTech training platform. I'm giving you early access to what I've been building. If you sign up now, you are going to get free early access to our Canvas onboarding training course. There's going to be so many more announcements coming up related to the courses that I've been building. We're going to have so many new courses available, so you definitely want to get access to this free one before it officially launches. If you've been here from the beginning, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate you watching me grow over these many, many years. And if you're new here, you picked a really good time to join my journey. So yes, Canvas Queen is no more, but the EdTech Empress, she's just getting started. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.